Porter County Fair. We're gonna have a good day today. So excited. What do you want to do? What are you here for?
Ride the ride.
Just to ride the rides? I'm here for the food. Nolan, what are you here for?
Nothing.
What are you here for?
Nothing.
Nothing. This is Megan and the Trouble Drove Adventures. Come have an adventure with us at our fair. Summer fun. Tractor with Aunt Lisa. Oh, look at the piggies. Look at this awesome way to plant plants. Some beans, or what is this? I'm not sure what that is, but that's cool.
Perhaps fall off her head.
Hey, are you on a horse? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, look at this. You're gonna be, it's like you're driving a big, ginormous tractor. Ride it. Hey!
I'm close.
The louder you guys cheer, the faster you should go. Do circles. Bramble, come here. All right, stop. Circles. Do your circles. You're being bad. Good girl. Come on. There we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. Good girl, Bram. Good girl. Turn. All right, let's get some more air time. What do you say? Woo! Go, Bram. Good girl.
Let's go 1, 2, 3. Cut off your ribs. How about a huge hand for your first diving dog of the show? That's our girl. 72 inches.
Are you ready?
Here she goes.
We're going to need everybody's help on this one. Oh, she said, Mama, I want to play frisbee. 72 inches is no joke. We are going to have to really cheer for Phoebe on this one. On the count of 3, let's go 1, 2, 3. Let me hear you for it. Count in.
We're on the midway. Or is the midway where the rides are? Or is this considered a midway?
This is considered the midway.
This is considered the midway. Or is it where the rides are?
What is this?
This is the foodway.
Midway.
With the rides too? Oh, the carnival's over there. Okay. So this is the midway full of food, man. I mean, it goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Down that way and down that way. 2 lanes too. Aunt Tracy, Cousin Brooklyn, little Miley.
She's got Bambi on.
We got a whole crew with us today. We're waiting on Grandma and Uncle John. We got Ben up there. Friend Bradley. What up? Say hi to YouTube, Bradley.
Hi.
Say hi to YouTube, Ben.
What did he say?
He said hi. Easton, my stroller pusher. Oh, are we gonna go see the horses? Or let's go see the cows. You want to?
right now.
Oh, they're
That
closed.
barn's
Oh, that barn's closed.
They're not closed. We have to go through the side door.
Oh, maybe.
So we have to start from there all the way to there.
Okay, we could do that. Let's do it. Here we go. It's the goat barn.
There's goats in here like at Grandma's house.
Let's go see the goats. Goats and sheep. Oh, look how cute. Look at his little ear. And a piggy. Look at his nose. He's licking my hand. Oink, 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 oink. We should go see Wilbur. It's Wilbur. Look at his wrinkly nose. Look at his nose. Look at him. We have to go see baby Wilbur. Oh, he's licking my hand. Carefully, he doesn't bite you. Is there a old Big John? Had a party. cows to see and the pigs. Lunchables. Grandma went to Job's, what is it? Job's daughter's corn down there. It's the best corn, sweet corn you will ever have.
It really is. I don't know what.
She always gets like a bag full of sweet corn every year and shares it with everybody.
Came with the whole
I know.
grocery bag.
And then she had like a little corn for Miley.
Yeah. And you're having a Lunchable? We're still deciding what we want to eat. I think
Well, we need our
fried vegetables,
Yeah, fried veggies and our mozzarella.
mozzarella sticks, fried mozzarella sticks. You're already eating your chocolate? All right, here's the whole field of corn came to our table. That one and that one. Oh my goodness.
Smells good.
Yum.
Yeah, enough for everybody.
You want some corn?
Yeah.
All right, take the corn stalk out.
Are they grabbing stuff for you?
No, I'm gonna go get mine. Is it hot? Mmm. Yummy corn. Is that good? You're a pro at it this year. You're like, you know what to do. You know what to do.
No, get him.
Okay.
Do it at the fair.
That's how we eat
corn. See, I told you that's how you do it.
Is there more than corn in Indiana? I think not.
Not anymore. The corn's all gone.
Yeah.
Eat it, Nolan.
Gosh, that is really, really.
Oh, look at fried vegetables. No, this is mozzarella sticks.
Miley, come here. Miley, Megan, here we go.
Yeah, there you go, Nolan. What did Bradley get?
Burrito.
I keep scaring Bradley. Sorry. Ooh, a burrito. Yum. What did Mom get?
Corn dog.
Corn dog. Let's
Some
check
veggies.
it. Oh my goodness. And veggies.
I knew you would like the corn.
They love the corn.
We kind of devoured it.
Oh, John. Oh, and let's not forget the fair has the best sweet tea. What is it called? Sattlers?
It's so. I don't. Yeah.
You can get
It's
flavor
right
in it,
there.
like strawberries or.
Their cup, but
But look at John got a
Oh, yeah.
frosty one. Oh, good, Tracy's good.
Oh yeah.
Luke's favorite thing. Rainbow. Huge gust of wind. Literally. Yum. Okay, so I heard one of you ate Grandma's corn dog. Which one was it? It was you?
Nope.
Grandma brought a corn dog back and someone ate it. Do we need to go buy her another one?
No.
Yeah, do you want one for real?
No.
No. Hey, where you going? Nolan.
Nolan, nice to meet you, Nolan. Oh, look, you guys are twinning, too. Is this your brother?
Say yep.
Lucky guess, right? Are you guys twins?
No, he's 5 and he's 3.
He's 5 and he's 3. See, you almost look exactly alike, too. And I want to teach you something I call the Porter County Fair Shuffle. Do you guys want to learn?
Do it, yeah.
All right, here's how we do this. Here's what I want you to do. Hold your right arms up in the air just like this. Right, there you go. Hold your arm up. And now, just follow my lead on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go like this. All right. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Good job. There you go. All right, go like this, go like this, go like this. All
It's
right.
gonna be like this.
Hey, check it out. Do the guitar, do the guitar.
Now do the guitar.
All right, good job, good job.
Here.
Now, touch your elbows. Touch your elbows.
Now do it.
There you go. All right, spin your body around.
Now spin.
All right, now, spin your head around. Maybe we'll skip that last part, huh? Hey, give yourselves a big round of applause. You guys are awesome.
All right, here's the horsies. Ooh, they're neighing.
Where's it at?
Whoa, that's a big boy with braids, or not braids, but ponytails. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's Christmas in July. That's their theme. So all of them are decorated.
I got the breath on that one.
You got
Yeah.
the breath on it.
Careful, you gotta be careful.
Broadway, it's an Arab, that's why they
Oh, that's like Cheyenne. No, get down. Beautiful colored one. Wow. They're like all making noises. They're like talking to each other.
He's gotta be gentle. Chill. Don't go by that, baby.
So that's a big pile of poop.
Imagine you are more Nolan.
Yeah, he likes Nolan.
Careful, Luke.
Oh, he's gonna go. Be careful though.
No, he's being sassy. I'd back up.
Yeah, you don't want him to. Oh!
Hey, guys, back up.
Actually,
He's actually.
yeah, you know what? He might nip at you. He might bite. He's got teeth in there.
When they bite.
Yeah, watch out. It's got teeth in there.
You know why? You know why? Because this is what they do. They don't lift their mouth back up. They go like this, and it just pulls off in a pinch.
Oh.
Yeah,
but
they
it's
don't.
like not sharp, but yeah.
But it hurts.
They bite, so be careful.
DJ-nator.
And there's DJ. What's up, DJ? Yeah. Look at this one. He's like all alert. His ears are back though.
His name's Uppity.
Or Banjo. You look like an uppity.
Watch out. You have to stay back.
Everyone goes down to Nolan. Hi.
Watch out. He can like easily whip you and like whip you with his like hand and like, knock you out.
His girlfriend must be out there performing.
Yeah, oh yeah. You got a girlfriend out there? Out there performing?
And our brand is number 66, Eleanor.
He's looking. He's looking for his girlfriend.
That's her over there.
Oh, there she is. Right there. Are you guys ready for rides?
Yep.
All right, Nolan. Are you ready for rides? Bye. Hey, are you ready for the rides, Nolan?
Did you take her home? No, she was do the ride. Church.
Oh.
They had a bus.
There's the rides. Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Yeah, we're ready. Yeah.
Do those swings?
I'll do it.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't do it.
Let's go see about the tickets. Whoa, we're seeing all the rides. You gotta go on the fun slide, straight ahead. And the caterpillar. They're getting their wristbands. They're so excited. You got one too, DJ.
I'm gonna go with Nolan.
I'll pay you back.
I'm going, and Grandma got it for you.
I'll pay you back then.
Yeah, Luke, you kind of flew forward. You have to sit back. Hey, it's the teens. What?
We waited in line and they were saying it was because of my thighs.
Me and him couldn't go. Only Easton and Bradley. Only Easton and Dustin.
You couldn't go on a ride?
The zipper. It was because my thighs were too big. I can't
That's not
lock it in.
All right.
So they kicked me off and Easton had to ride with Dustin.
So it's a little spoon. No. Don't, no.
I don't have any more cherries.
Okay, we'll get you a
I'm
treat
sorry.
in a little bit.
I wish they would have put two.
You guys get cotton candy, okay?
cotton candy. I would have gave. Look at this thing. What is that?
Grandma got us. Oh my gosh!
Want some, Lisa? I didn't eat on that.
Look, Grandma got a sundae.
You guys want to go on the merry-go-round?
Yeah, let's. Okay. Oh, don't!
You know what we had to do? Dude, film this like this, and then we'll go home and cut into a shot. Oh, like, what's so hard? Like, oh, what's so hard?
DJ's got money!
Hey, DJ, how you liking this? How you guys doing? Over like halfway.
Hey!
You gotta film this. You gotta film this.
Ow! Stop! Nobody can get it! DJ!
I don't know that's hard.
Yeah, do it. Oh, DJ, get over! Dusty, I would have had that, but I was filming. I didn't know you were doing it.
How you feel, DJ? How you feel, DJ? You turned me into a paraplegic. How you feel, dude? You paralyzed me.
Oh my goodness!
As tall as she is.
What the world? You're gonna have a monster bag.
Look at the pink monster.
Yum.
It's as tall as here. Let's watch.
Luke was supposed to sit in the middle because he's bigger than Nolan. He's like, no, I don't want to sit there.
But
so Nolan was getting squished.
you two got squished. Did you get squished?
It hurts so
Go
bad.
get some cotton candy.
My rib cage hurts so bad.
Did you like it though?
Yeah.
Did you smush Brooklyn?
Hey, did you like it? Whoa, look at that.
He said he didn't like it. It's cotton candy, buddy. Just take a bite of it. We've never had cotton candy before.
What weirdo? I've never had cotton candy.
On the Midway!
I was gonna say, I think this is the Midway. And what's the other one?
Oh, this is the Carnival. The other one's the Midway. I don't even know.
What's that?
Yeah, this is the Midway.
It's a race to the top while anybody drinks their side by side to the top for the win. Lucky number 4.
We're having so much fun. Miley took a nap and she was all ready to wait. She was all ready when she woke up to go on some rides. You've been on the carousel. You went down the fun slide. What else did you do? Oh, you want to do that? We're all going on the monkey maze. Luke! Easton! DJ! Charlie! Ah! Hi, girl. Sneaky girl. Now Lisa's going. Now Lisa's coming. Look at that. That's the sweet corn. Job's daughters. There's where they're cooking it. Yum. Look at the lights are coming on.
They're boiling that coal.
It's getting darker. Let's see. Look at the dinosaur. Look at dinosaur.
Up to the fencing and say hello to Blue. Blue is a velociraptor. That means the fastest, smartest dinosaur on the planet. Blue got his name from the blue stripe on his side. You must have seen him in Jurassic World. I'm looking for a volunteer to give Blue his favorite treat. I'm looking for somebody strong, brave, and not afraid, and haven't had any cotton candy here.
I like your shirt, guys.
Who can tell me what kind of dinosaur that is?
Life's like a road that you travel along. One day is here, then the next day is gone. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. Sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every broken door. The blues won't haunt you anymore.
Hi, Miley. Miley's so tired. She took a little nap today, but that just wasn't enough. We are still here. We've been here since noon. We're back on the Midway. We went out for a little bit, got a couple more snacks, small snacks, and then here we are again. We are leaving the Porter County Fair, and what a fun day we had. We've been here since noon. It is, Easton, do you even know what time it is? It's just me, Easton, and Miley. Dave met us up here. I don't even think I filmed him. He met us up here and he wanted to just get some food and see the animals, and he took the kids around some of the rides. So that's why we're here late. Grandma and my sisters and brother all left a long time ago, and we just still kept at it, doing another round when Dave got here. And so the fair is almost closed, but Luke and Nolan are gonna look at some animals with Dave, and the older boys are coming home with a friend. I'm just ready. I'm ready to go home. Miley's ready too. She has been letting me know, right? I told her, I said, you can come home and sleep in mommy's bed tonight. It was a long day.